Welcome back to another episode of Ask Prashant. Today I am going to build a rechargeable battery car. So now I'm going to stick this rechargeable battery to the base. I got this base from a toy block piece. Now I'm going to stick the thing with a hot glue gun. So I got these wheels from a toy car and I cut these two straws. You need to measure the straws to the wheels exactly. So now I'm going to remove the wheels and put the straw in and put the wheel back. Now I'm going to do this with the other one. So we have fixed these both. So now I'm going to stick these two wheels to my base. So now I'm going to connect the switch to the rechargeable battery. So now I'm going to stick the switch to the rechargeable battery. I'm going to stick the DC motor to the rechargeable battery. Now I'm going to connect the green wire to the switch. Now I'm going to connect the black wire to the blue wire. Now I'm going to tie all the wires with this rubber. Okay, so I have fixed the fan leaf to the DC motor. Now let's test it. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. Be sure to tell your friends. Bye.